Have you ever felt like time just disappears? You wake up, check your phone, answer a few messages, and suddenly it's evening. But here's the truth. You're not out of time, you're just out of focus. Today, let's fix that and take back control of your day, your energy, and your life.
Hello, everyone. I'm Dina, and this is Fluentors, your daily companion to learn English, think in English, and grow in life. Today, we'll talk about something we all struggle with: time management. If you've ever felt that 24 hours aren't enough, or you often say, "I wish I had more time," this episode will completely change the way you see your day. Because time management isn't about doing more things, it's about doing the right things. And this video is extra special because while you learn time management, you'll also practice your English listening and shadowing skills. So, as we go through each tip, I'll say, "Repeat after me." You'll copy my tone, rhythm, and pronunciation. Let's master time and English together. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Tip 1. Own your time. The first principle is simple but powerful. You own your time. You might think you don't have time, but the truth is, time is always there. It's just how you choose to use it. Every time you say, "I don't have time for exercise," or "I don't have time to study," what you actually mean is, "It's not my priority." And that's okay, but being honest about it gives you control. When you realize time is your choice, you stop feeling like a victim of the clock. Repeat after me. I choose how to spend my time. Again, I choose how to spend my time. Daily lifestyle hack. Tonight, write down 1 hour you lost today, maybe on social media or overthinking. Then ask yourself, did I choose that? If yes, fine, you enjoyed it. If not, decide what you'll choose instead tomorrow. That's the first step to real freedom. Tip 2. Hell yes or no. The second principle is called the hell yes or no rule. The hell yes or no rule is a decision-making framework that says, if a choice doesn't inspire a strong, enthusiastic hell yes, then the answer should be no. So whenever something new comes your way, a meeting, a project, an event, ask yourself, is this a hell yes? If it's not an excited yes, it's a polite no. Because saying yes to everything means you say no to your peace. This rule helps you filter what truly matters. When you commit only to meaningful things, you gain back your energy, your focus, and your joy. Repeat after me. My time is valuable. Again, I choose only what matters. Daily hack. Before going to bed tonight, write down your one highlight for tomorrow. Then schedule it. Mark the exact time you'll do it. When distractions come, remember, this is my highlight. That's how consistency is built, one day, one highlight at a time.
Principle 4. Use a to-do list. Your brain is a creative machine, but not a storage box. If you don't write tasks down, you'll keep repeating them in your head. Write them, free your mind, and you'll instantly feel lighter. Principle 5. time blocking. Don't just make a list, make time for that list. Block specific hours in your calendar for important tasks. Example, 9 to 11 a.m., deep work. 6 to 6:30 p.m., exercise. 9 p.m., reflection. Repeat after me. I design my day with purpose. Daily hack. Tonight, list your tasks. Then pick 3 blocks for tomorrow. 1 for your highlight, 1 for a task you often avoid, and 1 for rest. Structure doesn't restrict you. It frees you. Tip 6. Leverage deadlines. Parkinson's Law. Do you know what Parkinson's Law says? It says, work expands to fill the time available for its completion. In other words, if you give yourself a week to finish something, it'll take a week. But if you give yourself just 2 hours, you'll find a way to finish it in 2 hours. That's the magic of deadlines. They create urgency, focus, and energy. So instead of giving yourself endless time, set tight but realistic deadlines and stick to them. For example, if you need to write a report, say, I'll finish it by 4 p.m. today, instead of sometime this week. You'll be surprised how quickly your brain speeds up when the clock is ticking. Repeat after me. I create focus by setting deadlines. I finish faster when time is limited. That's how you leverage Parkinson's Law to master time management. Daily hack. Set a 25-minute timer for a task you've been delaying, like clearing your inbox or studying vocabulary. Work only until the timer rings, then stop.
Principle 7. Protected time. In a world full of notifications, you need quiet hours that belong to you. For example, from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. No calls, no messages, no scrolling. This is your deep work zone. Repeat after me. My focus time is sacred. Daily hack. Pick a 1-hour window each day and protect it fiercely. Tell your family, your friends, your coworkers, this hour is my focus time. Protected time protects your dreams. Tip 8. Delegate. Don't do everything yourself. Time management isn't about doing everything. It's about knowing what you should do and what someone else can handle. If you try to carry every task alone, you'll spend your time working hard, not working smart. Delegation means trusting others with responsibilities that don't need your direct attention. At home, that could mean asking a family member to help with chores. At work, it might mean assigning a report or routine job to a teammate. This frees your mind for higher value tasks like planning, learning, or creating. Repeat after me. Delegating is not weakness, it's wisdom. When I share the work, I multiply the results. Remember, every minute you free up through delegation is a minute gained for what truly matters. Tip 9. Automate. Let systems save you time. After delegation comes automation. Automation means using tools or systems to do repetitive tasks for you. You don't need to reply to every reminder or calculate every number manually. Let technology do the heavy lifting. Use calendar apps to schedule recurring meetings, set automatic bill payments, create templates for emails or reports you sent often. And if you're a content creator, automate your posting schedule.
These small systems save hours every week and reduce mental fatigue. Repeat after me. I designed systems that work even when I rest. Pause. Automation gives me freedom to focus. Pause. When you combine delegation and automation, you move from being busy to being effective. That's how successful people buy back their time and live with balance and clarity.
Bonus tips: the daily routine. Let's combine all 10 principles into a daily routine you can follow. Evening. Reflect, write tomorrow's highlight, plan your blocks. Morning. Start with your protected time. Do your highlight first. Daytime. Say hell yes or no. Use timers for focus. Delegate or automate when possible. Night. List your 3 wins, choose satisfaction, and rest peacefully. Repeat after me. I own my time and I use it wisely.
Tip 9. Automate. Let systems save you time. Automation means using tools or systems to do repetitive tasks for you. You don't need to reply to every reminder or calculate every number manually. Let technology do the heavy lifting. And if you're a content creator, automate your posting schedule. These small systems save hours every week and reduce mental fatigue. Repeat after me. I design systems that work even when I rest. Pause. Automation gives me freedom to focus. Pause. When you combine delegation and automation, you move from being busy to being effective. That's how successful people buy back their time and live with balance and clarity.
And finally, Principle 10. Choose satisfaction. At the end of the day, don't say, I didn't do enough. Instead, say, I did what I could, and that's enough for today. This mindset keeps you motivated and reduces burnout. Repeat after me. I'm proud of my effort today. Again, I'm proud of my effort today. Daily hack. Every night, write down 3 wins, big or small. Then say, I'm satisfied with today.
Remember, growth is not about doing more. It's about being consistent with what matters. Bonus tips: the daily routine. Let's combine all 10 principles into a daily routine you can follow. Evening. Reflect, write tomorrow's highlight, plan your blocks. Morning. Start with your protected time. Do your highlight first. Daytime. Say hell yes or no. Use timers for focus. Delegate or automate when possible. Night. List your 3 wins, choose satisfaction, and rest peacefully. Repeat after me. I own my time and I use it wisely.
Lifestyle hack. Use short moments while commuting, waiting in line, or walking to listen to English podcasts or repeat phrases. Turn every spare minute into learning and growth. That's what we call the Fluentors lifestyle. So, which time management principle will you start today? Comment below. I love to read your daily highlight. If this session helped you manage your time and practice your English, please emphasize, like, subscribe,
and turn on the bell to stay inspired every week. I'm Dina, and this is Fluentors, your home for calm, confident English learning and mindful living.